Assalamu alaikum, all viewers and my dear student. Welcome to my today's class. How are you all? Hope you all are well. So, I am Parveen Akhtar, lecturer English, Rampur Ideal Alim Madrasa. Today, I am going to take your class from English first paper, class 8. So, dear student, what are you looking in the pictures? Please look at the picture carefully and can you guess what are they? Here are some rivers, here a river, some boats, and here are some peoples. So can you guess what are they? Try look another picture. What is this? These are called tent, temporary tents. Do you know who are the owner of this tent? Okay, let's know. What do you see in the picture? A snake. What is this? Snake playing. Here is also a picture of snake playing. Who are they? Can you think or can you guess? Another scene of snake playing. Who are they? Can you guess? Yes, they are river gypsies. Gypsy people. So, our today's lesson is river gypsies in Bangladesh. Unit 7, lesson 3, page 82 in your textbook. So, what we will learn in this lesson? Talk about picture, use new words, fill in the gap, choose the best answer, ask and answer question. So let's know some word meaning. Toddler. Do you know what is toddler? Toddler means a young child who is just beginning to talk. He is a toddler. Then toddler play with dogs or other pets in the dust. He is playing with his mother. Next, tarpaulin. Do you know this? Tarpaulin means a kind of waterproof cloth used for making tent. The poor live in tarpaulin tents. Tent means, do you know what is tent? Temporary house, that is called tent. What do you see in the picture? This is tent. This is tent. Suppose this is temporary house. Tent means temporary living place or camp or house. So river gypsy people live in makeshift tarpaulin tent on open river bank. What do you see? This is pearls. And pearls means jewels. You know all. River gypsy dive for natural pearls in water. This is a system of their living. They collect pearls from deep water and sell them in the market, and in this way they live in collect their living. So what do you see here? Cosmetics. So cosmetic means grease paint. Women go from door to door to sell cosmetics. Let us have a tour from the textbook. Okay. Now go to the textbook. So here is a text. I read. Please listen carefully. River gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. Do you know what is ethnic group? Ethnic groups are they who don't live in a permanent place. They are known as Bede to the local people. You know them as Bede. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. This is their lifestyle. They live in boat, in temporary tents, etc. This is their own lifestyle. Here are some picture also. They are living in boat. Here are some boat also. Here are some boat also. They live in groups. Here they live in groups. How many boats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So They live in groups and don't own their any land. That means they don't have any land of their own. Therefore, they live a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December. So note this point. They across our rivers from May to December in small country boat. These are small country boats. These boats are their houses and these people are a part of our waters. So dear student, are clear? These boats are their house and they are the part of our water. So what do you see in this picture? So what is the picture of? It is the picture of winter season. There is no rain and this picture can indicate winter season. So in winter many water bodies dry up. You know, our water bodies, our rivers dry up and our canals also dry up. At that time they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tent and open river banks. So when water bodies dry up, these river gypsies people cannot run their boat and at that time they came to the mainland, that means land, and make a tent like this and try to live in this tent. You can see there men relaxing in the tents. Here is a man relaxing in their tents. But you see, here is a girl is playing with a dog and he is playing with a snake, and here are women. So toddlers. Who are toddlers? They are toddlers. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by hair doing. This is the picture of hair doing. Picking of flies in twos or three sitting in a row. This is the common picture of the river gypsies women. So what do you see in this picture? River gypsies men. What are they doing? Can you guess from this picture what are they doing? Also here are also some another picture. So much picture here. So throughout the monsoon they remain busy with fishing. That means at the time of monsoon rainy season, the fishermen, please go back, they are busy with fishing. Here are the picture. The river gypsies men are busy in fishing in the time of monsoon. They also dive for natural pearls in waters. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snakes. Here is the picture of catching snakes. Men catch snakes. Snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Women go from door to door to sell bungalows, cosmetics and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people often by sucking out blood from their body. Here is the picture of sucking out blood from the body. And they are going to sell cosmetics. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. Here is, she is believing the magical power of the gypsies. They can and evil spirit leave someone's body by magic or special powers. This is the belief of our village people. So what are you doing here? River gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. First, Bangladesh is urbanizing very rapidly. Gypsy people are losing their customers in urban population. Hence, their income is threatened. Secondly, 24,000 km of previous waterways has shrunk into only 6,000 km in the country in dry seasons. For these reasons, scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worse affected by global climate change. The unpredictable rain and dying out of rivers have made boat movement heavily restricted. Thirdly, many river gypsies are changing their lifestyle in the context of changed reality. They are thinking of living permanently on the land. The authority feels that river gypsy need help to survive in the mainstream population. Therefore, the government is offering voting rights, permanent housing, and bank loan facilities. However, changes do not come overnight. So, what will river gypsy people get? They will, the government, present government, have their voting rights, permanent housing, and bank loan facilities. Traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. They have inherited from their forefathers necessarily life skill to survive in waters. They have no education and training to adapt to mainstream modern society. So the authority feels the need to bring them under formal education network, but they have no permanent living place. Gypsy children are born and brought up on roaming boats. Therefore, they can't go to conventional schools, and hence mobile boat schools are coming up for gypsy children. Some voluntary organizations are running special schools on board to educate their gypsy children in some areas. So dear student, gypsy children are not have the right to have education. For this reason, some voluntary organization started a mobile school for the gypsy children. So, who are the river gypsies? Can you guess who are river gypsies? How do they live? What do river gypsies do in winter? What do river gypsy do for living? What do river gypsy women do for? Please, you can try to write the answer from the text, and writing this answer you can send your answer in inbox. Group work. Discuss with your partner and circle the right answer. The term ethnic is connected with, I will do first one for you. What will be connected with ethnic? People, plants, animals or fishes. Ethnic connected with people. So other answer you will do. Then pair work for you. The river gypsies are among the nation's dash group. I will do first one for the ethnic groups. You will do the next one. So this is your individual work. Where they catch snakes during the winter, rainy or summer season. Which one will be right? They catch snakes in summer seasons. You will do the next one. This is your homework. You will of course confirm your homework, and you will pick an image of your homework and send in the inbox. So goodbye. Thank you my dear students. Thanks to all.